Hey e-commerce friends! In this video I would like to share with you 3 simple tips on how you can maximize your return on ad spend when running paid ads. Tip number 1 is leveraging email marketing. Did you know that email marketing can make up to 26% of the overall e-commerce revenue? So we highly recommend to set up multiple flows to make sure that the shopper will purchase your product. A lot of shoppers are just not ready when they first visit your site. What you want to have is flows just like the welcome serious flow, the abandonment cart flow, or the customer win-back flow. The second tip is to utilizing chatbots. Oftentimes we get the feedback that shoppers cannot find the right product or they're just having issues with the navigation on the site. A chatbot can help them and assist them to find the right products on your store. The third tip is to utilize referral programs or subscriptions or loyalty programs. For example, a subscription model can help you to increase your lifetime value, and therefore it makes it much easier to spend money for getting the traffic to purchase it. It has a much higher return on ad spend if you calculate the lifetime value into the quotation. If you want to get more tips like that one, then go to our website at wonderads.agency and subscribe to our newsletter. Until the next time, talk to you soon. Goodbye.